So in this video, you'll learn how to install a chess clock timer on your Samsung Galaxy S25. So the first step is to open the Google Play Store. Then you want to use a search function and you want to type in chess clock timer. And then once you've finished typing it in, just select search. You should see different timers available for you in the search results. So look for the one that you would prefer to use and just select it. Once you've selected it, simply just tap on install and wait for the timer to be downloaded onto your phone. Once it's been downloaded onto your phone, you can now start using it whenever you're playing chess. So you can just tap on play to launch it, or you can go back to the home screen, look for the timer from there, and tap on it. Now you can start using the chess clock timer on your Galaxy S25. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.